Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy here. This is hashtag Stay Home 2020 Volume 2. I just found out there's going to be a mandatory lockdown in this county starting tomorrow. Boy, I'm getting scary on my predictions here. Maybe I should stop talking about the virus and the lockdown. Don't want to cause any problems by giving the universe any nasty ideas of things to do to us. Any of you looking at this, especially YouTube creators, how about recording a video for hashtag Stay Home 2020? Tell us what you're doing to stay healthy. Or if you're not doing anything, what you're not doing to stay healthy. Anything about staying home because of this virus or not staying home because of this virus, please post. Thank you. Try and stay healthy, please.